Amen. In the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Spirit.
Thank you, Mr. Salamat, Mr. Sa katulong nasa likod po yung mga likod, players and teams, please remain standing. And as we call your teams, can you give your loudest cheer so that pag-introduce mo sa ako board of judges who will introduce later on for the selection of best uniform and best views.
Pero before siguro na tawag ka sa stage, ang siguro kailangan ko yun.
Buka pa po kailangan. Ako si Attorney Shirley Salares.
Kaya hindi lang ni ordinary na basketball tournament, kundi ako ni pag-celebrar sa ating 60th anniversary. And kung tayo 60th anniversary, so special sa mga prizes na natin. Pero unya na ako i-announce kay parang surprise. So kinahanglan magsige mo practice because sometime in June, mauna ang atong championship games. So we will have one champion for the seniors division, naa sa ilahing champion for the juniors division. So karong tuiga, tag 6 na kabot ang teams. All of you will be playing in a round robin format. So ang pasabot ani murag mga kalima mo duwa. So namoy 5 ka tsansa na makadaog pirmi para kamo ang mahimo champion sa atong basketball tournament for 2025.
Alright, without much further ado, let's introduce our teams from the juniors division.
Junior ako nahon di ay. O sige.
Sige, una-una to ang mga seniors.
Senior lang kay pagtahod sa mga
Tiguwa.
ay wala sa mga maguwang.
Alright.
Pagtahod sa mga maguwang. Okay. Atong una i-acknowledge o atong tawgan nini graba kay mangangan inyong mga teams mga kulbang kaayo. Una gikan sa area 1 we have the Black Mamba with their team captain Benji Dumada and their muse Myra May Olvido. Pakpaksan. Okay. Gikan gihapon sa area 1 ang atong tawgon ang mga defenders. Ilang team captain si Neil M. Capo ug ilang muse kay si Marilyn Giao. Alright. Balita sa area 2. Ingon na ba sila ang kinakusgan o pakpak mao'y sigurado madaog. Tanaw na to ha? Area 2, we have the Panthers. Team Captain Markel Isaac and Muse Leia Coronel. Asa man ang mga Panthers? Adora. Okay. Ngano na ako? Ngano nagbalikan? Okay. Huwag mo follow sa instructions. Gikan gyapon sa area 2, we have the Warriors. Our Warriors.
Only Warriors ni Bayan sa ganun.
Bayad. Ano kayo hindi ka may biyogol? Dili ko mo dawat ang ubang team. Usap ta unya. Ang ilang team captain si Jacob Gaviola o Muse, si Mecca de Lima. Okay. Klaro na yun sa gikan sa area 3. Let's call on the South Borders. Salvador. Okay. Naagyapon sa Junior Division na team, gikan gyapon sa Area 3 atong tawgon ang mga Titans. Team Captain Rex Lopez ug ang new si Kate Remolisan. Okay, atong tawgon ng mga senior division. Likod pang mga tuhod niyon. Okay pa?
Before na mo announce sa senior division, akong i-announce, I'm very happy and proud joining us this afternoon ang umaabot na Congresswoman sa Mandaue City, Attorney Regal Mendoza Oliva. Ug kauban niya si Councilor Marco Sanchez ug ang team Regal ay modua sa exhibition game versus the Centurion All-Stars. Sige, we'll ask Attorney Regal Marco later to give a few remarks. Pero ato sa i-introduce ang senior division. By the way, nasa may surprise na guest na maabot karon. Padung na siya dili. Actually, alauna gana na siya mo anhi. Batingon may huwag lang sa kay para makumplito mo. Maabot siya karon in a few minutes. So introduce na to ang seniors division. We will start with
Okay, atong seniors division from Area 1. We have Nigatnan, the Legends. Nasa mga Legends? With the team captain, Christopher Andalan and the muse, Melinda Ares. Okay.
nawa naman ang atong review mo.
Kaya tungkol seniors division, yun ay mamutupon. Area 1. Area 2 na din. Sorry, nawa, nakag-glasses. Area 2, we have the Gladiators. Ang mga Gladiators. The team captain, Jake Sumalinog, and their muse, Daisy Torion. Okay. Also from Area 2, we have the Spartan Warriors. Team Captain, Jacob. Okay, go. Huwag man magdungan ng mga aho. Murag ko na ito. After 10, aha. Balik ko na, sige. Taga na ito chance sa mga niyo, right? Okay. Gitawag ko na ko yung team captain. Manama. Wapa. Team captain, Jacob Aguanta and their muse, Jovelyn Gulawan. Okay. From Area 3, we have the Masters. Team captain, Feliciano Lucenio and the muse, Cheryl Rose Salo. Our last two teams from the city. Oh, sorry kayo ha? Usap ko? Pausan. Or, pasensya, usap na lang, usap. Ay, sige, nanuot naman sila. O niya, balik mo.
Sige, murag wa na sila kapatuto.
The last two teams for our senior divisions, let us welcome from the Head Guards Club. The team captain. Okay. Usap. Sige, tawag na sila. Okay. Pepe Corre. Okay, go. Team Captain, Roger Omandak and the Muse, Sheila Danuco. Rochelle. And last but not least, from the seniors division, let us welcome from the Centurion Admin.
Pasensyahin kayo. Ano ba? Sige.
Their team captain, Roberto Coriba and the Muse, Christine Sastrillas.
Alright. Magpasalamat kita namin sa mga tanang teams daan sa inyong participation karong nga basketball tournament o para ma-appreciate sa atong board of judges ang inyong uniforms ug ang inyong news papasuhol mo sugod diri sa admin igabot diri sa front posa mo kajot and then mubalik mo sa inyong lugar. Alright?
Team captain ug ang Muse. Paso diri. Mupadakli ta kay basi kita ma-best in uniform.
And ako mangyon ang mga players, kada team pwede na mo manglingkod kay para maka-appreciate kung tarong sa teams and their muses.
Okay. Pwede na mo maglingkod sa court.
Diha na sa court ay
Diha na lang.
para dili mo layo.
Oh, diha na lang.
O before ta parade sa atong team captain and muse to showcase the uniform and the muse, I'd like to introduce our board of judges. Our first board of judges is a lawyer, is a director of the IBP Cebu City chapter, and currently chairs our IBP Cebu City Membership Committee. Let's all please welcome Attorney John Machet Unga. Si Attorney Machet is also a sports aficionado. Kaya nilarga na siya Hong Kong para mag-compete sa High Rocks. So, hiling karyo ni siya. Pakitag abs. Ang usa ka judge padung pa dire, magpakaapas na niya siya. Si Attorney Grace Hermosa Casano. She is our Executive Director for Legal Aid and two-time most outstanding legal aid lawyer in the whole country. And the last but certainly not the least is my eldest son. Let's welcome Miko Palmares. So now, let's showcase the teams and their muses, starting with the admin.
No, just the team captain and the Muse. Okay.
Centurion admin, team captain Roberto Curiba and Muse Christine Sastrillas. Next team, from the Head Guards Club. Thank you. Next team from Area 1 Legends. Let's welcome. Area 1 Legends team captain Christopher Agalan and Muse Melinda Ares. Let's welcome the next team, Area 1 Defenders.
team, we have Area 1, Black Mamba. Team captain is Benji Dumanda. Yan, na-transform ang ilang news kay wala pa daw kaabot. Next team, let's welcome the Spartan Warriors. Area 2 Spartan Warriors, Captain Jacob Aguanta and Muse Chobilin Bulawa. Next team, we have Area 2 Warriors. Team captain, Jacob Gaviola and Muse Mecca de Lima. Next team is Area 2 Gladiators. Team captain, Jake Sumalinog and Muse Guy Corion. Next team, we have the Area 2 Panthers. Area 2 Panthers team captain, Markel Isaac and Muse Leia Coronel. Next team, we have the Titans. Area 3 Titans. Team captain, Rex Lopez and Muse Kate Remolisan. Next team is Area 3 Masters. Area 3 Masters team captain, Feliciano Loseño with Muse Cheryl Rose Salo. Next team, Area 3 South Border. Area 3 South Borders team captain, Fresel Autentico and Muse Esa Joy Salvador. So, tagana tong time, ang atong board of judges na mupili sa best news and best in costume, naatay grand winner o naatay runners up na duha ka buo. Musugot na mo ang inyong premium kay 100,000 points. So can I just ask everybody to please stand and can I call on our Most outstanding player in last year's basketball tournament, SG Desa, for the oath of sportsmanship. Okay, wala ang atong MVP. So I'd like to call on the president of the Centurion Head Girls Club, Roger Umanda, for the oath.
Mga hapon sa tanan. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Oath of sportsmanship. I, Roger Umanda, being a qualified member of Centurion Security Agency Incorporated, do hereby solemnly swear that I always uphold the trust and finest tradition of sportsmanship all throughout the South Championship and even beyond the tournament. I always treat my opposing players as a friendly rivals for athletic supremacy. That I always abide the duly constituted ground rules of the tournament. That I will accept the verdict of the arbiters of the game. That I shall always bear in mind that when a great scorer shall win our games, we shall not win or lose the game, but how the game played. And that I shall take this place upon myself without mental submission nor purpose of omission. So help me God.
Thank you. Let's give a big round of applause to Mr. Umanda and to all our teams. You may take your seats. Pwede na din na. Because at this point, before we have our exhibition game, atong mangyuon nga muhatag og gamay pulong to inspire us all this afternoon. My very good friend whose team is playing against our Centurion All-Stars. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pride and honor to introduce Attorney Regal Mendoza Oliva.
Maayong hapon! Happy Sunday, Centurion! Happy anniversary! Kabalo mo kaning Centurion is very close to my heart because of Michelle and the whole Palmares family who is also my family. And so that is why pagsultingin ni Michelle na tinisas Madawi City ninyong i-hold inyong anniversary and your basketball opening, I was very, very happy and pleased. So thank you for choosing Madawi City. Usap ko sa pakisultingin ni Michelle. Katong one time, na-COVID ko sa Maayo Hospital, kung dito ko gi-isolate. Pagsud na ko, naibaw mo kung Centurion bilang Maayo. Pagsud na ko, hala, kagwapo sa guard. Bisa gi-COVID ko ba? Hingat mo, Michelle, pwede pasulong sa kwarto, isolated man ko. Pero bitaw binuang na, I am just very happy to be part of this very fruitful organization and anniversary because I know that Centurion has been making our society and community safe for the last 60 years. So thank you very much, Centurion. Centurion is one of the most reputable security agency and we thank you for your very vigilant presence every time na kung makikita ganing Centurion ang guard, miski ako as an ordinary citizen, I feel safe. So thank you also to the Palmares family for continuing a legacy of making our community very safe, very sound, and I hope that Centurion will survive 60 more years, times 60 more years. So, kamo mga at Palmares children continue the legacy. So thank you very much for inviting me. I have prepared a very formidable team. Grabe kayo ni kakusgan akong team karon kay puro ni mga kandidato sa Mandawi City. Ayaw na talagang pintiha, grabe na po mo ha. Pinailan ninyo. Pero si John, nagsulti mo na ko John Paes na murag ang uban pa ko na ninyo, nag-duty pa ko nung gikan pagabi. So, moray mo duwa nila ha kay para murag lamang-lamang ra ba. Mandawi, kung nyo pakuhawi mga yatisa mo ha. Batay mo. Bitaw, congratulations to everyone. We hope that we can work better with Centurion. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ayaw kalimti, karong umaabot na piniliay ang atong Congresswoman sa Mandawi City, Atty. Regan Mendoza Oliva. Usasan kagarto sa atong pamilya na introduce na ano rin nato because supportive and loving husband man sad siya ni Hasmin. Ang Sports Commissioner sa Cebu City, Mr. John Owen C. Pajes. Kaya before mag-start na sa atong exhibition game, pwede magpa-picture sa Riga John Marco, Councilor Marco Sanchez, with all our, pwede mo compress, nakuha na itong picture sa taas.
And board member JJ.
And also board member JJ Go is joining us this afternoon. Daghang salamat, sir. And he will be playing for, wow, Team Regan of Mandawi City. And can I request also Mami to join? And Attorney Majed, please. While we're waiting, Blue, please join. And also Miko.